Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got a dog bed from Amazon, which is the Eterish. This is the gray dog bed. It's an extra large, and I'm gonna do a kind of an unboxing video as well as a small review.
So let's start with the unboxing video.
All right, so inside we have in the box is the foam itself. Basically, this company has compressed this foam pretty nicely in the box. I guess for shipping purposes, obviously, as you can see, it's pretty efficient. And the next packaging over here, we have the liner itself. Apparently this is waterproof, but we're gonna do a test at the end of this video and see exactly how much waterproof this is. I'm not entirely sure, it's probably water resistant, but we'll see. And then over here we have a thank you card, such and such, contact service at eterish.com. Okay, so let's move this aside. All right, so this is all that it includes in the packaging. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Let's start with this here. Okay, so far it feels nice. Not too sure about the quality of the material though, but I guess we'll look into it a little bit more once we assemble everything together. But like you can see here underneath, we have the anti-slip kind of gel. Honestly, that really never works, but nice try. And this kind of material, unfortunately, this wears down after maybe a couple of months. It doesn't really look as fluffy as it is right now on the camera, but it does its job. You know, it's for a pet to feel comfortable and sleep at night and at least have a bed instead of a hard surface. So we'll go ahead and open the next one. Okay. This one is pretty taped up. I gotta admit, this company has really packaged their products pretty well. It's really neat. It's gotta be an easier way to open these, but hopefully I don't cut the foam up. Okay, so given the fact that this has been compressed for quite some time, we might have to let it sit there for maybe a couple of minutes, and then once the air gets in there, it'll swell up to its size. It's supposed to be about 4 inches thick, but we'll just do a quick time lapse and we'll see you in the next part. All right, so now it's been 45 minutes since I unpackaged the foam. So far, this is as far as it gets. That's pretty decent. I think it'll be good. So let's put the liner. been about 2 hours, and as you can see, the foam is definitely taking shape. I'm really happy to see that the product I got is up to my expectations. I really love this. It's practical, it's comfortable. Me and my wife even tried it. We love it. And also, as you remember earlier, I struggled a little bit putting the foam inside the liner. And as you can see over here, the zipper goes a lot further back. But anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any future videos. I will be posting more videos such as this, as well as if you are interested, I will leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.